You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today. And is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, electronic stability control, rear window defroster. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.